Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I'm really explaining to you how you can find your Cash App, Bitcoin wallet address. So if you're looking to basically find your Bitcoin wallet address, whether you're saving Bitcoin or transferring it to another wallet, I've got you covered, guys. So let's dive right in. So first things first, what you're gonna do is open up the Cash App on your smartphone and make sure you're actually logged into your account. And then, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to access the Bitcoin section. So what you're gonna do is you want to tap the money tab, the little bank icon at the bottom left of your screen, and then scroll down and just tap on Bitcoin. And if you don't see this, guys, you may need to enable a Bitcoin transactions first, right? So step number three, guys, would be to verify your identity if actually required. So if this is your first time accessing Bitcoin features, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity. You just want to complete the following details, okay? Provide your full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your social security number. And once verified, guys, you'll basically have full access to your Bitcoin wallet. And then, guys, what you're going to do is you want to view your Bitcoin wallet address. So now in the Bitcoin section, what you're going to do is tap on deposit Bitcoin, and your unique Bitcoin wallet address will actually appear on the screen. It will basically be a long string of letters and numbers, and you can copy this address or scan the provided QR code if someone else is actually sending the Bitcoin to you. All right, and another important thing, guys, always a double check addresses. Double check your wallet address, okay? Always double check before sharing or using their wallet address because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, guys. So any mistake will lead to a loss in funds. You're not going to get the money back, right? So do not make that mistake. Make sure you double check every time. I'm literally emphasizing, okay? And finally, guys, what you want to do is you want to enable push notifications. So to actually stay updated on your Bitcoin transactions, just go to your profile, okay, tap on settings, and then turn on notifications. So this way you'll get instant alerts for any deposits or withdrawals, guys. And there you have it, guys. That is how you can find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Anyways, guys, stay safe trading, everyone, and make sure you like the video if it actually helped you. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.